Hello everyone! Today let's dive into the fascinating world of diamond cutting tools and explore how these incredible tools shape our world, quite literally. First off, let's talk about mining and quarrying. In these industries, diamond-tipped saw blades and drill bits are the superheroes. Whether it's granite, quartzite, or basalt, these tools cut through dense materials like a hot knife through butter. Moving over to construction and demolition, here, diamond tools are absolutely crucial. Imagine cutting through concrete slabs, walls, and even pillars. These tasks demand precision and power, which diamond cutting tools provide with ease. Now, let's gear up and head into the realm of geological exploration. Geologists and researchers rely on these tools to extract core samples from various types of rocks. This isn't just about breaking rocks. It's about unlocking the secrets of our planet's composition and history. Next on our list is precision machining. In industries where materials harder than the norm need to be shaped, like ceramics and hardened steel in aerospace and automotive, diamond cutting tools are the go-to for high accuracy and fine detailing. And we can't forget about semiconductor manufacturing. Here, diamond cutting tools are used to handle silicon wafers. These wafers are the foundations of electronic devices, and cutting them precisely without damage is crucial. Lastly, in the world of glitz and glamour, the gemstone industry, diamond tools are used to cut, shape, and polish precious stones. From diamonds to rubies, these tools ensure that each gemstone's integrity is maintained while enhancing its beauty. Now, why are diamond cutting tools so invaluable? Well, for starters, diamonds are the hardest known natural material. This makes these tools exceptionally durable and long-lasting. They also show remarkable resistance to abrasion, which means they stay sharp, cut after cut. Moreover, the precision these tools offer is second to none, resulting in clean cuts and minimal material wastage. And let's not forget, they're incredibly versatile, making them suitable for a myriad of applications across various industries. In conclusion, diamond cutting tools are not just tools. They are pivotal in shaping, building, and exploring our world. From the depths of the earth to the heights of technology, they play a vital role in pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as fascinated by how things work and the tools that make it happen as I am, stick around for more. Catch you next time.